Hello guys, I hope you are great and you are preparing for your exam in a very well manner. So today we are going to start a new journey, and now we are going to discuss about the best, or we can say top 20 questions series. We are going to start over here, in which we will discuss 20 questions of previous year questions, right? Previous year questions from different one day exams, and this is going to be start in English medium channel only. Okay, so I hope each and everyone is ready for the same. I myself, Vipin Sharma, welcome you all on behalf of oliveboard. Okay, so let's start. Before starting, one thing I want to tell you, if you are preparing for the next session, right, if you are targeting 2025 exams, so here is a batch for you. Name of this batch is SSC CGL Foundation Course Mission 2025. In this batch, my dear friend, you will get each and everything from the scratch, right? This is a batch which is targeting tier 1 and tier 2 both, and you will get best quality material in this batch. Personally, I advise you, if you want to prepare yourself from the scratch, just join this batch, right? In this batch, you will get 300 live classes, concepts with PYQ, basic to advanced level will be covered. I already told you, we will start from the zero and we will take the concept to the top level, right? And each and every session has been designed focusing on PYQ, right? Because we have experienced in last 5 to 6 years, exams is being asked which are totally based on PYQ, right? 90 to 90% questions belong to PYQ section. Concept is borrowed from the PYQ section, right? So that's why competition is very high. You need to solve the questions with speed and with accuracy. So to develop speed and accuracy, we are going to provide you practice session, right? So through which you can get good hand over the problems. If you are through with the SSC CGL tier 1 and you hope that you will clear CGL tier 1, and now you all ready to prepare for the SSC CGL tier 2. So my dear friend, don't waste time, because just after the result you will not get more than 1 month, right? So in a short span of time you have to complete the whole syllabus, and now this time exam is coming little bit harder, right? So you have to prepare for the top level, because in pre questions are very easy to moderate level, but when we talk about the tier 2, it is moderate to tough. So you have to prepare yourself for the exam. If we talk about the tier 2, so I think you should target the exam, or we can say that you should set a milestone for preparation as SSC CGL 2017 main paper, right? If you go through 2017 mains paper, then you will realize how much difficulty level can be in mains exam. So we can't take risk, because we have good opportunity and we have already cleared or covered one hurdle, right? So we do not want to lose the opportunity, because this is the next level, and after this level your selection chances is almost yes, right? So moving to next, now here we go. Yes, so this is the first question. Tell me what is the right answer. Yes, please everyone. You all are requested, just please like and subscribe the channel and share the, yes, please share the session. Tell me what will be the answer of this question. See, winners do not practice different questions they practice same questions but differently, right? So what we have learned, we have to learn the unique and good approaches through which we can not only reduce our time, we can also maximize our speed, right? Got the point? So that we can maintain the accuracy also. Now tell me, what is the answer for this question? Question is saying, how long will a sum of money take to double if it is invested at 9.09% per annum simple interest? See, can we do it in few seconds? Answer is yes. We can do it in just 2 or 3 seconds. How? See, we need to convert this percentage value into the fraction. Now tell me, what is the fraction value of this percentage value? So you would say that 9.09% is equal to 1 upon 11, right? So in that case, this would be the base, and base of interest is principal, right? So this is principal and this is the simple interest, right? So at the rate of 9.09% on rupees 11, the interest is 1, right? So in 1 year, 1 unit interest is earned. We have to make it double. It means simple interest must be equal to 11 units. So it will take 1 unit in 1 year. We have to earn 11 unit. We have to make simple interest 11. Only then it will become double, right? So it will take 11 years. 11 years is the right answer. Yes, 11 year is the right answer. Once the concept is clear, right? So you can directly calculate it. We know it. 9.09% is equal to 1 upon 11, right? So you have to make simple interest equal to the principal, right? So principal is 11 units, simple interest is 1 unit. So it will take 11 years, right? So answer is 11 years. 11 year is the right answer. Okay. So moving to the next question. Now tell me, what is the answer of this question? Yes, please. Everybody present over here, please answer. Yes. One and all. $126. See, here we can use value putting approach, right? Through the value putting approach, this question become very easy. See, we are given a plus b is equal to 6, right? A plus b is equal to 6 and a into b is equal to 5. If we put 5 at place of a and 1 in place of b, multiply of 5 and 1 would be 5 and sum would be 6, right? So this is satisfying the equation. So we can say that the value of a cube plus 1 cube would be equal to 125 plus 1. So the answer would be 126. 126 will be the right answer. Yes, 126 will be the right answer. Okay, got the point? So we are not going to do it by basic, right? If you want to do it by basic, you can also do it. In that case, you will have to use the formula. Okay, so I am also going to tell you the basic concept. So what will be the formula for this? So for this we will use the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab bracket a plus b, right? So we can put the value of a plus b and ab in the formula. So we will get, here we will put a plus b is 6 cube minus 3 into 5 into 6, right? So we will get 216 minus 15, 6 is 90, right? So we will get 126 and 126 is the right answer. See, the winners always use value putting approach, right? and the one who want to join as a clerk, they will use the formula. So choice is yours. Moving to the next question, tell me what is the right answer. Okay, very good, everyone is good. Why has today's math class not been taken by? Sorry, I don't know. I don't know. मेरे आशिक, क्या बात. Yes, please. A mixer is sold at discount of 25% and profit given is 20%. Find the ratio of CP to MRP. If we want to calculate ratio of CP to MRP, everyone please note one formula, right? We can calculate directly when we are given profit percentage and discount percentage. In that case, we can directly calculate the ratio of CP and MRP, right? So how we can calculate? We can calculate CP and MRP. So this would be equal 100 minus discount percent is to 100 plus profit percentage, right? So the answer would be 100 minus discount percent is what? 25%. Yes. And profit percent how much? This is 20. So we will get 75 is to 120 by 5. We can cancel it 15 times, and by 5 this will become 24, right? Again, both terms can be cancelled by 3. So by 3 this would be 5 and this would be 8. 5 is to 8 is the right answer. 5 is to 8 is the right answer. First part is the right answer. Yes, first part is the right answer. Okay, 5 is to 8 is the right answer. Okay, so moving to the next question. Now tell me, what is the answer of this question? Yes, please. See, before answering this question, we have to understand one thing. Whenever we have to calculate median of a series, or we have to calculate median of a simple raw data, right? When raw data is given to us and the question is asking what is the median, in that case we have to follow certain stages, right? So first of all, we have to understand those steps, how to calculate median, right? How to calculate median, how to know or calculate median. What are the steps? So the first step is, step 1 is just arrange the data or arrange the whole data or complete data in ascending order, right? So first of all, we have to arrange the data in ascending order. Then second step, we have to count the number of observation, right? So n is the number of observation. N is the number of observation. If number of observation is even, so there are two possibilities of this. N is, this can be an odd or this can be an even, right? Now we are moving to the step 3rd. What is the step 3rd? Step 3rd, if n is odd, in that case median will be n plus 1 divided by 2th term, right? If n is even, in that case median will be equal to n by 2 plus n plus 2 divided by 2th term, right? Both term, then divided by 2, right? So these are the steps which we have to follow. Now the question is saying what would be the median of this, right? So first of all we have to arrange complete data in ascending order. Now what is the ascending order? It means that we are taking lowest at the first place, right? Then afterward we are taking the greatest, consecutively increasing numbers, right? So we will take first 1, then 3 will come, then 5 will come, then 6, then 9, then 11, and then 19, right? So the greatest number in the last and the least number in the first. So we are arranging the series in increasing order. When we arrange a series in increasing order, in that case that series is known as ascending order, or that order is known as ascending order. Got the point? So ascending order means putting the number in increasing order, putting all the number in increasing order, right? So now we have to check the total number of observation. So total number of observations are, see, total number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So total number of observations are odd, right? Total number of observations are odd. In that case median will be equal to n plus 1 divided by 2th term, right? So here we will get 7 plus 1 divided by 2. So this would be equal to 4th term. So 4th term would be the median. 4th term would be the median. Now tell me which is the 4th term. So 4th term is 6. So 6 would be the median. 6 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Yes, B part is the right answer. Yes, B part is the right answer. Okay, moving to the next question. Now tell me what will be the answer for this question. Yes, please. Question is asking, find the median of the given set value. Again, first of all we have to arrange all the number, hold the data in ascending order, right? When we have to put in ascending order, it means we have to put the number in increasing order, right? So this would be 7, then after that 13, after that 17, after that 23, and after that 19, then 23, 19, 23, then 37, then 53, and then 57. Okay, so now what is the total number of observation? So n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here n is even number. So in that case median would be equal to n by 2th term plus n plus 2 by 2th term divided by 2, right? So this would be our median, right? So here we will get 8 by 2 plus 8 plus 2 term divided by 2. So now we have to calculate the value of 4th term plus 5th term. So tell me what is the value of fourth and fifth term. So you would say that fourth term is 19 and fifth term is 23. So the median would be 19 plus 23 divided by 2. So this would be equal to 19 plus 23. So this would become 42 divided by 2. So the answer would be 21. 21 is the right answer. Third part is the right answer. Yes. Is this okay? 21 is the right answer. Okay. Yes. So moving to the next question. Again, we get the question from simplification, right? Yes, please tell me what is the answer. Okay, see, we know that 1% is equal to 3. So through the percentage, 2 zeros will be cancelled out. But here is the division. So we have to use the vinculum formula, right? So 30% into 300 divided by 25 plus 5 into 2% of 200. So this is 4, right? 1% of 200 is 2, 2% would be 4, right? So by 25 we can cancel out 1 and 2, right? So 12 into 25, 30, right? So 30% of 12. So we can say that 30 divided by 100 into 12 plus 20. So this would be equal to 0, 0, 2 6 time and 2 5 time. So this would be 18 divided by 5 plus 20. So this would be equal 18 divided by 5. This will become 3.6, right? Plus 20. So the answer would be 23.6. 23.6 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Got it? Yes, C part is the right answer. Okay. So moving to the next question. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. See, a trader sells an article at rupees 3,200 with 20% loss. What will be the selling price of article if trader gains 25%? I hope this is clear to each and everyone. If a seller or if a man sell its good or his good at 20% loss, it means he is charging 80%. If a seller is selling his article at 20% loss, it means he is getting or he is charging only 80% of the cost. That's why he is losing 20%. If one wants to get 25% profit, it means he will have to sell the goods at 125%, right? At 125%. So we need to simply calculate the value of 125%. So we can say that the value of 80% is 3,200. Then how much is the value of 1%? So divide by 80. And we have to calculate the selling price too, right? At which we will get 25% profit. So the selling price would be 125%. 0 got cancelled 0 through the 8. This would become 40, right? So the 125 into 4. So this would be 500. 10 more. So 5,000 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Got the point? Yes, A part is the right answer. Very good. Abhinath, Harika, very good बच्चे, very good. मेरे आशिक, वाह. What a fantastic name. Yes. Next question belong to trigonometry part. Tell me what is the answer for this. See, cos theta divided by sin theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Take LCM. So the LCM would be sin theta into cos theta, right? So this would become cos square theta plus sin square theta, and we know very well identity 1 out of 3 identity. This is one of the 3 identity of the trigonometry. Sin square theta and cos square theta is equal to 1, right? So this would become 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta, and we know that 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta and 1 upon cos is sec theta. So cosec theta and sec theta is the right answer. Cosec theta into sec theta is the right answer, right? So we can say that D part is the right answer. Okay, so moving to the next question. Tell me guys, what is the answer for this question? Yes please, what is the right answer for this question? Everyone is humbly requested, please like, subscribe and share this session so that maximum student can get benefit out of it, right? Again, one of the good question. Now tell me what will be the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, the question is saying ABCD is a quadrilateral, the length of diagonal of AC, right? Any kind of quadrilateral we are given, right? And one diagonal is AC. So ABCD. This is the concept. Once we understand the concept, we need to draw the diagram, right? We can directly calculate the answer. But first of all, we have to understand the concept, right? For making concept understand to you all guys, I am drawing the diagram, right? But to solve this question, no need to draw the diagram, right? So we are given ABCD is a quadrilateral, the length of diagonal AC is 24 and the sum of the perpendicular, right? One perpendicular is drawn from this and one perpendicular has been drawn from this, right? So this is H1 and this is H2. So we know that the area of triangle is 1 upon 2 into base. Here the base is AC into H1 and the area of triangle, this one, 1 upon 2, again the base is AC, that is diagonal, right, into H2. So taking 1 upon 2 AC common, taking AC by 2 common, we will get H1 plus H2 here, right? So the formula would be the area of quadrilateral would be equal to 1 upon 2 into diagonal into sum of heights, right? Sum of heights. So we can directly calculate. Once this concept is clear to us, we can directly put the value in the formula. No need to draw the diagram, right? So the answer would be 1 upon 2 into 24 into what are the heights? AC, okay. Yes, the length of the diagonal is A 24, the sum of the perpendicular drawn from B and D. Okay, we are given the sum of perpendicular, that is 10, right? So we can say that 2 5 times, or we can say that, so this would be 120, right? So the answer would be 120 centimeter square. 120 centimeter square is the right answer. Yes, okay. So C part is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Okay. Moving to next question. This question belongs to mixture and alligation. Everyone prepare the mixture at their home, right? One or another kind of mixture is being prepared on daily basis at our home. Whether it is chai, whether it is coffee, whether it is any kind of juice, or whether it is any kind of lassi, right? So question is saying a mixture of acid and water contains 20% acid, right? So there are 20% acid in it. When 10 liter of water is added to the mixture, then the percentage of acid become 15%. Got the point? What is the original quantity of the mixture, right? So we can do it through many ways, right? There are many concepts, there are many ways to do the same question. So here we can apply the ratio approach. We know that the concentration of acid is 20%, right? A mixture of acid and water contain 20% acid in it. If acid is 20%, it means water is 80. Is this clear? Now after putting the water, after adding the water, the concentration of acid become 15%. If acid is 15%, it means water will become 85%. Got the point? Yes or no? So what we need to do, we need to just make the unit of acid same, right? When we are putting water into the mixture, there will be no change in the quantity of acid. The acid will remain, right? If in a mixture of acid and water, if we put additional water, in that case, there will be no change in the quantity of acid. So what we are going to do, we are just making the quantity of acid equal, right? So we have to make the quantity of acid equal. So here it is 20, here it is 15. If we take the ratio, so this would become 5 3 ja 15 and 5 17 ja. So this would become 3:17 and this would become 1:4, right? Is this clear? So we have to make acid unit equal. So we will multiply by 3 in the first ratio, and after that we will study the water is become 12. Now it is 17. How much water is added? 5 unit, right? Whereas acid was 3 unit previously, now it is 3 unit. Now question is asking what is the original quantity of the mixture. See, the original quantity of the mixture 3 unit acid, 12 unit water. So the original quantity is equal to 3 plus 12. So this is equal to 15 unit, right? Here we are given how much additional water is added? 10 liter. So 5 unit is equal to 10 liter. So we can say that this is 2 time. So 2 time water. So this is also 2 time. So this would be equal to 30 liter. 30 liter is the right answer. D part is the right answer. Yes. D daredevil is the right answer. Okay guys. D is the right answer. Yes. D is the right answer. Okay guys. So moving to next question. Tell me what would be the answer for this question. An article is sold for rupees 54,120 after 2 successive discounts of 12% and 18%. What is the mark price of the article? Now we have to calculate the mark price of the article. Before calculating the mark price of the article, we have to know what is the single percent discount equivalent to 2 successive discount, right? So we can directly calculate through the formula of successive. If we are given 2 discount or 2 successive discount, we can calculate single percent discount through the x plus y plus xy upon 100, right? So single percent discount, yeah, we can say single discount percent, right? So here discount means decreasing, so we will take negative sign, minus 12 minus 18 plus minus 12 into minus 18 divided by 100, right? So this will become minus 30 plus 18 to just 36 3. So this would become 216 divided by 100. So here we will get minus 27.5 84%, right? So the discount is 27.84%. If I say that if I say that MRP is equal to 100%, in that case discount is 27.84%. So the selling price would be equal to 100 minus 27.85. So this would be equal to, this would be equal to 61.27. So this would be equal to 72.16%, right? So here we are given selling price. So we can say that 72.16% is equal to 54120, right? Then what is the MRP? Then what is the price of 100, right? So MRP would be equal to 54120 divided by 72.16 into 100, right? Got the point? Cancelled out the point, we will multiply it by 100. Now solve it. What is this? Yes, so this would be cancelled out. How much time? Yes, please tell me. Cancelled it. So this would be, after calculating, this would become 75,000, right? So 75,000 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Got the point? Yes. C Chennai Express is the right answer. Yes, C Chennai Express is the right answer. Okay, moving to the next question. Now tell me, what is the answer of this question? Yes, please, everyone. Before jumping to answer this question, we have to understand one concept of sides of triangle, right? So we know that on the basis of sides of triangle, triangles are of three type, right? On the basis of sides of triangle, we can say that triangles are of three type. One is acute angle triangle, and one is a right angle triangle, and another is obtuse angle triangle, right? Like this. If we say that the sides of these triangles A, B, C are X, Y, Z, right? X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. So when we will say that this is a acute triangle, so in acute triangle, right, the relation between the side must be x square plus y square must be greater than z square, right? So the sum of square of two smaller side must be greater than the square of largest side, right? Whereas in case of obtuse angle triangle, or we can say, in case of obtuse triangle, or we can say obtuse angle triangle, right? Acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, the sum of square of smaller side is always less than the square of greatest side, right? Whereas in right angle triangle, the sum of square of two smaller side is always equal to square of big side, right? So this must be known to us, right? if we know these facts, so in this case triangle would be acute angle triangle, in this case triangle would be obtuse angle triangle, and in this case triangle would be right angle triangle. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. So here we are given the side of triangle and Z is the greater side, right? Z is the big side, okay, X and Y are the smaller side, and here we are given the sum of square of smaller side is greater than the bigger side, right? The sum of square of smaller side is greater than square of the big side, right? So in that case, so this is the case of acute angle triangle, so the answer would be acute angled triangle, right? So the answer would be acute angle triangle. Okay, moving to the next question. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. Here the ratio of length of two trains is 5:6 and the ratio of their speed is 2:3. Then find the ratio of time taken by them to cross a pole, right? See, one thing must be clear to you. You will also say that if a train is crossing a pole, if a train is crossing a main, if a train is crossing a point, if a train is crossing a red light, or we can say a train when going to cross any object which has no length, in that case train will cover distance to cross that object equal to its length, right? So in that case distance will be equal to length of train. Got the point? What will be the distance? Distance would be equal to length of train, right? So here we have to calculate the ratio of time, and time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. Here we are given the ratio of length and ratio of speed. So ratio of length means ratio of distance. So we can say that the ratio of time would be equal to 5 divided by 2 is to 6 divided by 3. After solving, or we can say after multiplying the LCM of 2 and 3, this is 6. We will get 2 3 time and 3 2 time, right? And 3 2 ja 6. So this would become 4:5. 4:5 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, first part is the right answer. Very good. Harika, very good. Yes, you are right. Moving to the next question. Now tell me what would be the answer for this question. Yes, please. Now the question is saying area of base of a cylinder is 25 pi centimeter square. If the height of cylinder is 9 centimeter, then find the total surface area of the cylinder. We have to calculate total surface area of cylinder. Now tell me what is the area of cylinder and what is the volume of the cylinder. See, the base area of the cylinder. What is the cylinder? Cylinder is a picture like this. See, cylinder is a picture like this. You better know than me. This is the picture of cylinder, right? So base is a circle. Base is a circle. So area of base is equal to pi r square. Got the point? This is r. So we can say that 25 pi is equal to pi r square. So r would equal to 5. So r will be 5, right? So here the r is 5 and the height is 9. So what is the total surface area? Total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h plus pi r square. Clear? Taking 2 pi r common, r plus h. Now this is the formula. So we have to put the value 2 into pi 22 by 7. R is equal to 5. H is 9 plus 5. Right? So this would be equal 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 5 into 14, right? So 7 2 ja 14. So this would be equal 44 into 10. 440 centimeter square is the right answer. A part is the right answer. 447 centimeter square. Yes, 440 is the right answer. Yes, you are right, guys. 440 is the right answer. Okay, moving to the next question. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. The ratio of height of two cones is 3:4 and the ratio of radius of two cones is 5:6. Find the ratio of volume of two cones. See, we have to calculate the ratio of volumes. When we have to calculate the ratio, in that case we can ignore the constant part, right? We can ignore the constant part. We know that the volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. So for calculating the ratio, we would not take 1/3 because this will get cancelled. So in that case, we have to take the ratio of r square and h, right? So here we are given the ratio of radius, that is 5:6, right? So 5 square we will take and 6 square we will take, and now the ratio of height is 3:4. So this would become 25:3 and this would be 36:4, right? So cancelling the common terms, so 3 would cancel the 36 12 times, so this would become 25:12 4 ja 48. So 25:48. Now we have to write like this. So this would be equal to, find the ratio of the volume of two cones. Volume of two cones. So this would be equal, I think options are wrong, right? Yes. Radius, the ratio of two cones is 5:, or we have to calculate without cancelling. Okay, if we do that, 75 and 36:4. Okay. So I think here we are given the raw data, right? We can say that if we write 5 square into 3 and 6 square is to 4. If we directly write 25 into 3 is to 36:4. So this would be 75 and this would be 6 4 6 just 24 2. Yes. So 25:144, right? One part is the right answer. First part is the right answer. Yes. See, sometimes the answers are given in the duplicate ratio, or we can say the like ratio, right? Or we can say raw data without cancellation. Normally ratio is the simplified form, right? Ratio is the simplest form. When someone is asking about the ratio is the simplest form, right? But we are given in options without cancelled out the common term, right? So we will not cancel it out. We have to calculate directly, or we can say we have to take the raw values. So 75:144 is the right answer. Okay. So moving to next question. Yes, moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, ratio of two number is 5:6 and their HCF is 6. LCM of these two number. Now what is the LCM of two numbers? Let the numbers are 5x and 6x. So in that case LCM would be x into 5 into 6, right? So x is common highest term. So we can say highest common factor SCF. We are given SCF 6. So 6 into 5 into 6. So this would be equal 6 5s are 30 and 6 3s are 18. So answer would be 180. 180 is the right answer. Second part is the right answer. Okay. Second part is the right answer. Is this clear, guys? Okay. So yes, so I am happy to inform you that our oliveboard team is going to start SSC CGL Tier 2 crash course, and this batch is going to be start from tomorrow only, right? So don't waste your time, don't miss this opportunity, because you have to prepare for Tier 2 exam. Once Tier 1 is clear, this is the, or we can say, small or easy hurdle, right? Now we have to target the giant. So for cracking Tier 2 exam, don't miss the opportunity. Just join this batch. You will get each and everything. You will get best quality material over here. You will get plenty of questions for practice. You will get good quality of mock tests which are designed on latest pattern, right? So here is the batch which is right for you, in which you will get 100 live classes plus doubt clearing session, right? And you will get topic wise questions which are based on PYQs. You will also get mock test with AI analysis, right? AI analysis means you will get how much time we should devote on this question, how toppers done that, how much time toppers taken doing particular this questions, right? So what will be the right approach for doing the question? Each and everything will be in systematic manner and analysis, right? If you use this tool, if you take this mock test, then definitely you will increase your number from 10 to 20 marks, right? Okay, and then again you and next you will get 100 plus typing test, and this is only and only in English medium batch, right? So this is very good opportunity for you. And if you have not downloaded the app of oliveboard, you all are humbly requested, please download the app. There are lots of benefit of that. You will get notifications, you will get information timely, and you will get offerings which are free, and you will able to attend the free classes which are provided on app only, right? So you can download the app right now so that you can avail the benefits, right? So after downloading the oliveboard app, you will open the oliveboard app and you have to go to the course section. Why you want to go to the course section? In the course section you will get YouTube class PDF icon, and from this you can download the YouTube class PDF which I have taken right now. Okay, so this is from my side. Thank you guys, thank you very much for listening me, and stay tuned with this, and I request you please like and subscribe the channel and stay tuned with us. Jai Hind.